Ay, mga ants.
Kino ka ng puti like ka una. Ayun, nagsusulod. Kilid lang, kilid. Tabang siya.
So guys, we found this fig tree and we saw this all over internet that this is edible. So now we are going to eat this and pray for us.
Dahil ang sunis guys.
I already tried it. So we're going to look
Ay,
for
tabang di siya.
pakla siya tabang for a ripe. Asa man?
Tabang. Taong nagsubok ng tiitor gani.
Going to this one. This is halaka guys. So we will try also. But
Dili di sa lang to.
ay, mga ants.
Kino ka ng puti like ka una. Ayun, nagsusulod. Kilid lang, kilid. Tabang siya. Wala lasa no?
Tasteless guys. It's I don't know, but it's tasteless. Let's try this another one.
Tubig no.
Lain man siya sulod.
Ano ganun ko tubig?
Very. Perteg kayabag guys.
Hilaw pa ang mga sunis.
Maybe it's not ripe, no? Di pa siya okay. Pero yes. Not good.
Tipo lagi, upo boy.
So guys, if for so long I can't post a video guys, you know what happened. You know what is the last thing we eat. Na? So pray for us na lang good guys. So far okay pa. Stronger pa man. Pagani ang usa. But we don't know. Huy, simba ko. But yes. Resulta na guys. Effect na.